Hello, Newscoop Beyblade here, and today, just another dog. I'm in the backyard. But yeah, I'll be doing a painting video again, spray painting Beyblade. So yeah, this is gonna be a tutorial, so I'll show you how I did this one. And for the Galleon, or Galtron, or whatever her name is, this is the pink I used. It's that prickly pink, high gloss, two times the cover paint primer. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. And yes, if you can't hear, it's windy as hell right now. Okay, so here's the paint. I'm doing, of course, I'm doing my favorite colors. Yep. If you can't tell, I'm wearing red right now. So yeah. Bloody hell. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be white right here. The driver. This is gonna be a custom Beyblade for myself. This will be black, a darker shade, this color black. The high gloss. Oh, bloody hell. These two pieces right here will be red. So yeah, let's get it with white. Okay. I'm going to do the red first because red is my color. Okay. Here we go, right here. Let me actually zoom in for you guys. So yeah. There we go, because small pieces. Ow. Okay. That's how I usually do it. You shake it. Okay. Ow. This was annoying to do. It kind of fell, so yeah. Okay. You're high. You do it high. Just get it pretty good. Just seriously get into it. Because you can always do another coat. Oh god, no! Okay. I'm gonna put that over there, same with this. This is why I have stuff to do that. Oh god, no! And then, god damn it. Definitely don't go overboard with the paint. Now, cover that up. Since those are done. Let's do the white. Right here. Oh, no, let's do the black. That's the easiest. And it's the this one. This is the bonds to wood, plastic, and metal, and more. This is the one I used on the stadium, the Bay Stadium. I did. Oh yeah, that actually looks really good. This is the nylon version of it. Here we go. Can you see it? Oh, that's why. There we go. A high class, sorry. I have like 3-4 things of these because I used it on the stadium. Stay tuned for part 2 because I'll be showing it all the way dry because I'm going to let this dry overnight probably. Let's get this Oh god, I see it right now. Oh shit. Yeah. Painting is fun. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Now this. That's a spray back spray. This is a Satan or Satan. I'll put these all in the description below, but yeah. I like these because they have little holes and you squeeze. Oh god, no, spray back. Okay. So yeah. That's gonna look so good. Oh wow, that's gonna look good. Because you have to do it, for this you have to do it high. And you have to watch out for a spray back. You're gonna have to fix that. And some of this too. So yeah, you'll see that. This will quickly go in the back corner and I'll spray it over here. Yeah, more right there. Okay. Just ignore that and noises because there's a small airport over here. So yeah, fun for me. And also, there's a volcano over where I live, so that's fun. It's a dead volcano. So yeah, that's gonna look really good. Big time. This probably will be my favorite thing I did so far, besides a stadium and the launcher, like Tyson launcher. Okay, one. Oh god. Oh yeah, that's gonna look so good on that bright colors. I do like matte black too, matte colors, but these solid, bright, gloss colors really make the Beyblade pop. But yeah, and here's a closer look at the paint I use for all these. Here's the pink one I use for Galleon, the same Beyblade. I'm doing this one, but this will be mine. And yes, this is a Attack-Tite, so yeah. Here's the white Satan. There's the brand, Rust. Here's another, basically Rust Olam. Is a really good brand I use. Basically, almost all my pieces spray paint is this brand, but there's one or two that aren't this brand. So, highly recommended brand. And my favorite is the red. Oh god, this bold red is basically a normal red, but my favorite is it's basically this red. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned for episode 2 or part 2 or the update to it, to me putting it together. But yeah, goodbye.